Got an interesting one to share with you, and this is the Hyundai ix35. This one had got absolutely no electrics at all. Drove along, pulled up, switched it off, completely dead, almost like a flat battery. Battery was fully charged, nothing wrong with it at all, yet everything was dead. No interior light, none of the central locking would work, completely dead. Traced it to the internal fuse box, and at the top of the internal fuse box there's a transportation fuse. This car was 5 years old and it had been driving around all that time with this transportation fuse just slightly pushed in, not in all the way. So it turns out intermittently it's been having electrical issues left, right and centre, not been able to find out what was wrong with it. Popped it back in. Bingo, all came back to life. All problems sorted. So if you've got one of these R35s and you've had a few electrical issues, or it keeps going dead and you think the battery's flat, check that little fuse, just give it a push and make sure it's all the way in. And that's it, problem sorted. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.